Good morning. It is Mother's Day, so happy Mother's Day, everybody. And this morning, the kids surprised me with a really sweet, on the floor in the living room, they spelled out love you and dominoes and a heart. And then Nadia had a little flower that she painted for me, and little sayings that about me, like what she loves that I cook and what she loves to do with me. And Owen got me a basket of goodies too, didn't you, bub? Yeah, he made me some flowers with those cute little sayings inside, and he got me a coaster that he drew a picture of me and him. So adorable. And now we are on a little road trip. I don't know where we're going. It's a surprise. We're going to Disney Springs.
No.
Oh, we are.
No, we're not.
Yeah, we are. We're going to Disney Springs. Are we going to get some Gideon's cookies?
Daddy, we're not going to Disney Springs, right, Daddy?
Yeah, we have to go there first.
Where are we going, guys? What number? 21? We're going to the Animal Kingdom Lodge?
Yep. Yeah.
We're gonna go look at animals?
Yeah. What are we?
Well, it's the morning time, so hopefully they're moving around.
Mommy, what do you think we're gonna do then?
Look at animals.
Not just look at animals.
Feed the animals?
We're gonna go somewhere else that's really big, and we want to eat there. We're gonna eat there.
We're going to the Animal Kingdom Lodge. You excited?
Yes. We want to see some animals.
Yeah. What animals are we gonna see?
Tigers, cheetah, horse, maybe.
Flamingos?
Goat.
Yeah, you think we're gonna see flamingos? What about zebras?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Giraffe.
Ooh, giraffes.
Goat. And a goat.
Good morning, welcome.
Morning.
Why do I feel? Because it's early in the morning. Morning.
We are at Animal Kingdom Lodge right now.
Look at that puppy. That doesn't mean puppy. That means where the animals
So you are here. We're here at this lobby.
Animals.
So
They go at the
this
front.
is Jambo House, and then this is Kidani Village.
Mommy, I see some animals.
All right.
Do they go there?
So wait, there's some animals over here too,
And right here. And right here.
and then up here, and then way over here,
And right here. I don't know about that.
and then here at D and F.
Mom, let's get there. Ooh.
Are we gonna go out here?
Yeah, we're going there. Wait for us. You know what they
The
would
big
sing?
fire pit.
They would sing something. Yeah. Pony.
It says over here there are roan antelope.
I don't see them.
Yeah, I see some birds, but I think they're way over there. The roan antelope, way back there.
I went too much.
To have an overlook of the animals down below. And right now they're far up in the distance, so We can't really see them from this area, but it's really nice. Just come out here and sit in a rocking chair. Going inside. Beautiful court here. We're gonna go across the bridge. The last time we were here, this bridge was closed. So it's open now. Look out. Below, there's nobody here right now. I mean, what time is it? It's 11 o'clock. Yeah.
Wow, that's a big pool.
That is a giant pool. Ooh, I see a little slide. I can't see all of it through the trees, but I see a slide. That looks super nice.
I don't see animals.
No? Yeah, that looks like a really nice swimming pool. We're just walking around right now. Some artwork down below here. There's a giraffe over there and some longhorn animals over there. I think they're antelope. Very neat. All right, let's keep going. There's a little brook flowing down there. We're at Animal Kingdom. We're gonna go on this little pathway over here. You excited?
Yes.
Rainforest Cafe.
Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you. We're gonna go out to lunch here at the Rainforest Cafe, right beside Animal Kingdom. So cute. Oh, wow.
Get your camera so you can get the updated menu.
Okay.
Oh, look at the aquarium. It's blinking. That would be a great seat to have right beside the fish tank. Those beautiful fish.
Some fishies. Dory. Dory. There's Dory. Look at these big fish. Oh, this fish. Size this fish. This kind of fish. Look at this big nose. Oh, I found this fish. I found this fish. Yep, we found it.
Hello, everybody. I'm Tracy Tree. Rainforests are home to people, too. One of the best-known tribes in Africa is the Pygmies. They are small people, rarely over 4 feet tall.
It's
They
moving their
live on
mouth.
different types of animals, but also collect fruit, honey, eggs, snails, termites, and caterpillars for food. The women collect nuts, roots, and wild mushrooms.
Here's a gorilla, a parrot, zebra. Snake. Fish tank. Hello, Mr. Muffin. Oh, was it? Oh, there he moved.
Hello. Hello.
Say, Polly want a cracker.
Hello.
All right, let's go see some more. Oh, there's a hippo way up there. All right, let's keep walking around. There's a rhino way up here. So it's a thunderstorm. That's lightning. There's a lizard. There's an elephant. Look at this backpack. Where's even like, it is a backpack. $49.99. That's crazy. And then the zipper's right here. Because I was like, how in the world do you get stuff in here? And it doesn't feel that big, so. Little fins with your name on them. Oh, and these have names on them as well. These are $9.99. And these mermaid necklaces are $11.99. Oh, you found one that says Mom. I love it.
Mommy, look.
These are snakes.
It's
Photo
because
booth.
I want them.
You do.
A giant car. I want that.
Amazing, huh?
Pizza.
And we got a cheese pizza with corn and some orange slices. Looks yummy.
Potatoes don't look like
This is part of the skin, Nadia. And then she got grilled cheese and some orange slices. Yum, yum. I got the Korean spicy stir fry. It looks delicious. And Brandon got the steak and shrimp with some steamed vegetables. What's this?
Scampi.
Oh, that's a scampi. Yummy, yum. We just walked out of the Rainforest Cafe here right in front of Animal Kingdom, and they have this elephant squirting water. Wow, one giant alligator.
Not real.
Turn around and say cheese. Owen, Nadia. Lunch was very good at the Rainforest Cafe here at Animal Kingdom, wasn't it, Nadia?
Yes.
And now we are on a bus and go to Disney Springs.
Yes.
Disney store?
Yeah.
We just went to the Luxury of Time store here at Disney Springs. We're here now. And we saw a little sign on the bus saying that they had complimentary necklaces. They did not have those, but they did have these adorable little time charms, the little clock faces on them. And so he gave one to each of the kids. So now we have 2 of these little charms that we can put on a necklace.